everybody, I'm in Love Athena.
Radio Boss, Mr. Fashion Life, Everybody Kiati.
We are here at the first annual Food Truck Festival.
At the first, they say the first annual Food Truck Festival right here, West Oaks Mall parking lot.
Shout out to Hazel with Exclusive Taste, great concept. I'm about to go up in there and check out all the food, so follow me in.
And I just want to thank everyone for coming out to our festival. Something everyone's been asking me is why we're doing this. And this is for our customers, our fans, everyone that just supports us, and this is for our community, and just bringing something to the Southwest community that no one's done before. As you know, Exclusive Taste, we're known for that. And I just want to thank everyone that came out, especially the food trucks. Thank you so much for being a part of our food truck, our first food truck festival. And I want to thank our sponsors, King of Clippers, Dental Time, West Oaks Urgent Care, and of course West Oaks Mall for letting us use their venue for this festival. Big shout out to our DJ Kiati and our host Athena. And just stay tuned for more events, for parties, etc. that we throw at Exclusive.